in understanding the level of support and the ongoing support that students need in order to be successful, I think, back to what Damon said, we need to design for it. We need to design systems that allow faculty to be successful given their roles and given the amount of time that they can devote to mentorship. So whether they are rewarded for it is also important, but it's also making sure that they can be effective, as I mentioned, within either their zone of genius, their scope of expertise, and or their scope of interest. So if you think about it, oftentimes the student-faculty relationship will be constrained to a semester, right? Perhaps two, unless it's their advisor, in which case it might be longer. But obviously it takes a lot longer than a semester to help a student develop an innovation and a venture. And so the mentorship relationship oftentimes will outlast a traditional student-faculty relationship. And again, this is where literally designing a system that supports this engagement is important. So what's interesting is that if you just look at people who actually raise their hand and say, I would like to do this, you have enough oftentimes to get started and to show proof of concept and to create sort of your first successes. Where it becomes even more important to design the system to support this kind of engagement at scale is when you are trying to scale your program up, in which case it's important to not just map the path, but also begin to develop some structures to help develop the faculty into the mentors that they want to be. They probably are not expert in mentorship itself. So sometimes it's providing those resources and helping them be successful as part of a team.